In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Notion account. Maybe you signed up for Notion and you realize that this isn't something that you're interested in, or maybe you're just going to a different software and you would like to just go ahead and delete your account completely. This is how you do it. So you want to go to settings. You can go and click on your name in the top left-hand corner of the sidebar, and you can click on the settings button there, or you can go down to the sidebar and click on settings. Once you're inside of here, you want to make sure that you are under the account settings and you click on My Account. And then at the bottom, you're going to see a place that says Delete My Account in red. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And then it says delete your entire account permanently. Once you do this, it cannot be undone. So please do not follow along in this process unless you are absolutely sure that you want to delete your account and you know that you will not be able to retrieve anything that you've made up to this point. So to do this, we'll have to type in our email to confirm. So we'll click on this box and we'll type in johnsmith@theproductivity.co. And this says you want to permanently delete account and one workspace. We'll click that button. And then there we go. It has completely deleted out our account and we no longer have any of that information. If we go up to the top and we click on login and we type in that email address, and click continue, you'll see that it's going to send us a verification code, which means it's trying to get us to sign up because it has not found an account under that email address. So it believes it's a new account, and so we would need to go through the process of resetting everything back up again. But that is how you delete an account inside of Notion.